Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you want to scale faster, automate boring tasks, and operate like a team of 10 with just one person, then these AI tools are essential, so let's dive in and check them out.
Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a fantastic day. And building a startup has always required time, talent, and capital, as you guys know. However, with high hiring costs and increasing competition, this has pushed founders to search for more efficient solutions, and AI tools are no longer optional for entrepreneurs because they automate work, reduce operational costs, accelerate execution, and they also enable startups to scale efficiently from day one. And today, we're going to break down the top 5 AI tools that every entrepreneur needs in 2025, what they do, how they help, and why they matter. However, before we get into it, this is not business or investment advice because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, okay? Always test tools and choose solutions that fit your startup needs and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Okay. All right. So with that out of the way, we're talking about the first one. Number 1 on our list is Notion AI. And you can see all the information about it right here is there if you need it. Okay. Now, this is the AI workspace that works for you. And this is an amazing program. And it's upgraded with AI intelligence. And it also helps founders to organize tasks, create SOPs, write documents, and build internal systems, which is really, really cool. And some of its key features include AI document writing and brainstorming, okay? Project and task management, team wiki, and knowledge base, which is really important as well. And some real world examples include the following. Founders use Notion AI to create business plans, pitch outlines, SOPs, content calendars, and task workflows. I mean, that is absolutely phenomenal, right? So I really think this program is going to do well in the future, and I hope you guys have a look at it. Okay, so now why does this matter? Because it improves efficiency, keeps your team aligned, and removes hours of manual work. Okay, so the next one at number 2 on our list today is Zapier plus AI. Okay, and we're on the website right now, and you can check out everything you need to know at the top here, get all the information you want, the most connected AI orchestration platform. Very cool stuff. This is the backbone of automation for startups, as you guys may or may not know, and it connects apps such as Gmail, Slack, Sheet, CRM, Stripe, and more to automate tasks without coding, okay, which is really cool. And you can check out more information. Look at all this. It's amazing information here on this product. No AI hype here, just results. See, go through the site, learn everything you can about it. It's actually quite a big site too, if you think about it. Wow. Some key features it has is no code automation or workflows, AI-powered automation builders, email CRM, and operations are automated as well. And some real-world examples include automate lead capture, onboarding, invoicing, and follow-up instantly. Okay, so it does follow-ups. Now, why does this matter to you and I? Well, because it saves time. Okay, it reduces hiring needs by automating repetitive tasks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. All right, so at number 3, we have Gamma AI, and we are going to talk about that one next. All right, so number 3 on our list is Gamma AI, effortless AI design for presentation, websites, and more. Again, everything you need to know on the website. Go through all the tabs, learn everything you can about it. I'm really excited for this one. It looks really good. And you get create content at the speed of light. That is absolutely amazing. Lots of great features. Edit with just one click with AI. Yeah, looks really interesting. Join 50 plus million users. Yeah, very exciting stuff with Gamma AI. So let's talk about it a bit. Now, this has instant pitch deck and presentation generator, which is very cool. It's perfect for founders preparing investor decks, product explainers, and onboarding guides. And some of its key features include the following. You have AI slide and document generation, modern, clean template outputs, which is very important. Fast deck building with no design skills required. Some real-world examples include it is being used by founders to generate investor decks in minutes instead of days. Now, why does this matter? Because it accelerates fundraising preparation and team communication. So yeah, this is a really good program. I want to check out more about Gamma AI. So before we get into number 4, I got a quick question for you entrepreneurs. Which part of your business do you want to automate first? Is it sales, content, customer support, or workflow? Please let us know down in the comments below. And also let us know if you've used any of these tools and which ones you liked and didn't like. The 4th one we're going to talk about is Tability, the AI OKR assistant. And we are going to do that right. All right, so number 4, Tability, the AI OKR assistant. Check everything you need to know about it at the top of the screen. OKRs that don't suck. Your personal OKR assistant. Eliminate noise and distractions. These are some of the features. Make sure you go through it, learn everything you can. Cut 80% of reporting activities. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So it looks really good. Better OKRs start today. You can follow them on all their social media down here at the bottom as well. All right, so let's talk about it. So what is the goal of the Tability AI OKR Assistant? Well, they want to have execution management for startups, okay? Helping you align with your goals. They also ensure teams stay aligned, hit KPIs, and track progress through outcomes, which is also very important. And the key features are AI Assist OKR planning, goal tracking dashboards, and weekly progress workflows. And some real world examples include startup founders are using it to stay aligned on growth metrics, product milestones, and sales targets. Now, why does it matter? Well, because it keeps teams accountable and driven through execution and discipline. Okay? So we're going to talk about the next one on our list and the final one at number 5, ElevenLabs. And we are going to do that right. All right, so the last one on the list at number 5 is ElevenLabs, and this is an AI powered voice generator for branding and content. The most realistic voice AI platform. All the information is there about it. Everything you need to know as well. Scroll down and check out all these awesome features here. Very cool stuff, okay? Now, it's an AI powered voice generator for branding and content, and some of its key features include realistic voiceovers, multilingual capability, audio for product videos, podcasts, and onboarding, which is cool. Some real world examples include startups that create professional voiceovers for ads and tutorials without hiring voice talent, okay? Now, why does this matter to you and I? Well, because it builds brands and presence, and also content scaling without high production costs. So yeah, a really, really cool program here with ElevenLabs AI. I have used it before, and these key features here make it really, really cool to have in your arsenal of tools. So which tools are leading in startup productivity? Is it Notion AI, which is best for organization and documents? Is it Zapier, which is best for automation and workflows? Or is it Gamma AI, which is best for pitch decks and presentations? Is it Tability, which is best for goal execution and productivity? Or is it ElevenLabs, which is best for voice content and branding? Now, each tool does solve critical startup challenges, and it also allows for creating a lean, high-performance digital workforce when they work together, okay? Now, AI is not just a trend in business. It is the new foundation for startup growth, speed, and efficiency in 2025. Founders who integrate AI win faster, and those who delay risk falling behind. All right.